I gotta work out a little bit. I just downloaded Google Calendar, bro. Like, I've missed so much crap lately. That is not good. All right. The first one. This is gonna be for Monday. Um, I like this. I think this is the best one on Monday, just because it was a iFVG off of a fair value gap. So I'm gonna just highlight this. It was I don't like that. We're delivering off fair value gap. Okay. Um, I gotta go to NQ. My bad. So we had perfectly closed on here. That's the one. That was for its reason. So this is gonna be A plus. The other reason was we were delivering off of fair value gap. We got a death candle through it, with good momentum candle through it. Okay, there we the stars tonight. So that's the first reason. Second reason was there's equal lows. And you can see that didn't even hit, but it's still a good setup. And yeah, so delivery kind of rejected this Riviera gap, got this inverse. And yeah, people are wondering, like, would this be a good setup? Not at all. Just because Resico lows blow, but yeah, so this would have been a good trade. I'm not sure if there's any SMT, but that's gonna be it for Monday. Yeah, it would have been a break-even trade, but it's still a good setup. Okay, let's go to Tuesday. Again, all I'm doing, like, I'm not necessarily class. I'm just kind of going over what I'm doing for my thread. It just creates repetition. Yes, Matt. What position size you should do in this 250K? I'd risk like 400 maybe. Maybe 500 if you make like for like 6,000. Best setup here was, I don't even know. Tuesday was horrible. I I generally don't know. This is a pretty good setup here. It just was a loss. This is not J Pow speaking. That's why it was a loss. Yeah, I'm recording this. I wonder how many people took this loss. It's just J Pow's big. That's the only problem. So I when I'm taking it. What? Yeah, I get it. All right, that's for Tuesday. Let's go to Wednesday. Again, Wednesday was another JPOD day. Really want to have traded, probably. But if I wait, Wednesday was the 5-minute one. I remember now. This was like the good demo trade. So I like this one because this one was obviously very, very bullish sweep down here. So that was kind of the first reason why I liked that. It's too. I just did that. So yeah, I like this one. Very bullish sweep there, in my opinion. So like that. We weren't delivering from anywhere, so I'd give it like an A setup probably. Just because we're in discount. But yeah, pretty good setup. I mean, 5-minute was fairly obvious. Good momentum through it. So Thursday. The other 5-minute wasn't valid, I don't think, Devin. What one are you talking about? The short? That was good, but you're already in discount. But yeah. It would be like just a, I mean, I get like a B plus. This one is just A because it's so low. All right, Thursday. Gotta go in a second. So I think I already know the best one Thursday. I think the best one Thursday was where was it? This one here. Actually, nah, I'll actually say this one right here. Two shoes. What are you talking about? Show me the chart. See, I think I would say this is actually the best on Thursday because it's just higher. Like this is just a common sense one though. That's the issue. But it would have been a break even trade. I think we're just gonna go with I think I'm gonna do this one right here, the glows. See, like this isn't a discount, but where we still swept the high here, and it like still made sense. So it wouldn't be an A plus setup, but it'd still be like a pretty good A setup in my opinion. I mean, I called it out, so. Why not the 838 one? Oh, yeah, because I don't even think. I mean, I guess, but I think it's on demo. I just didn't like how there's no sweep here, and I don't know if there's an SMT or not. Was there an SMT here? Does anyone remember? If there's an SMT, then yeah, but I don't know. I wasn't looking. It's see, I didn't really call it a lot of time. That's why I don't want to say anything about it. And then obviously we know the one Saturday. Yeah, and no structure to go off of. I had no idea we dumped on Friday afternoon. I did not look at the chart. I literally just found out like earlier. Yeah, I don't even know. Your electric love. So this is obviously the one Friday. And then this one, I mean, you could have held the runners, but I don't know. I forgot about holding runners here. I'm not gonna lie. Probably should have. The 50% level. But yeah, that's definitely A plus. And I even outlined it the whole time, so. Yeah, see, Matt, I don't like that. That's probably why I would have taken that short. Struck by your electric. This setup was very, 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 very good. Very good. Because we hit a fair value gap and we didn't reverse there, so. Yeah. Then he would have targeted the LRLR. That's like beautiful. You probably would have targeted this. If it was me, I would have probably sold all there because I would have no idea if we're gonna break these or not. So yeah, so those are your setups of the week. That's really all I have. So yeah. All right. I'll see you guys later. Peace.